Good morning, everybody. I think there we go. Yeah. Move that over there. All right, I got to shut my door too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. I'm positive I'm live there. Give me just a second to get everything closed up here. Are we live on YouTube, however? Hold on. I think we are, but you never know with YouTube. I think there is a buy stop to the 5-minute blue line US 30. I'll check that in a second. Hold on, let me do it right now. I believe that's where we're at. To the 4-minute, to the 3-minute. Yes, buy stop to the 3-minute blue line US 30 YM1. Buy stop. And that means all indices will be going up when you see that. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Today is 9/4, Thursday, September the 4th. That is crazy what time is done this year. Boy, time is just flies by. That's why you got to be so thankful, make the most of it, surround yourself with the people you love. I mean, time just flies fucking by. Jeez. 9/4. All right. I do believe we are live on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, X. Yeah, there we are. Good morning, Shiraz. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Arginus, Luna, and Kim. What's up, Kim? You're awfully early. Hope you're being blessed today, healthy today. Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch. Boy, we're off to a bright early start again this morning. I don't think I'll be trading through open, but you can already see you're in money on this US 30. US 30 YM1 buy stop to the 3-minute blue line. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, YM1's pretty much there. That's yeah, and you still have a little more room up on, and then it's going to be called to the 4-minute blue line, then the 5-minute blue line. We had a great training video yesterday. I don't know if any of you were here yesterday, but it was fantastic. You're gonna be an escalator. Remember?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Da 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 da. Okay, so you have some call outs. I want to check a couple of symbols in detail here because I do have some stuff. Where the heck is this? What is this? Where are my indicators at? There we go. Okay. Let's go check star. Da, 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 da. Oh, I made the shot. Woohoo. All right. First one I'm going to be checking is Target. And then we'll go through all these again, but I do want to get going here. I got to find out a couple things. Where the hell's my target one? Da, 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 da. There we go. All right. So let's see. Let's get this here. Let's get this here. Let's get that there. Good morning. Today is September the 4th, 2025. It's a Thursday. My name is Kevin Grego. Well, it's W. Grego legally, but whatever. Beautiful. Spring. I don't know, 12 plus years? I have no idea. Something like that. I'm not sure. It might be 6 years, to be honest with you. 6, 7, 5 years plus. I have no idea. Something like that. Oh. Coming on today's show. Reviewing in detail. Target. FedEx. There was one more I wanted to do. Maybe. Hold on. QCOM. That was on the second one. All right. Da 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 da. Da. Two. Rebot. Updates. 3. 50 plus symbols. 4. Answering your questions. Okay. That should be sufficient. First thing I'm going to be doing is looking at the target symbol for. Morning, David. Morning, Larry. God bless you too, Larry. Morning, Kim, Pay Dude, Arginus Luna, Fletch, Shiraz. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch and Facebook Live. Didn't even spell September right. Yeah, I know. I'm a dumbass. I can't spell shit. Gonna be alligator. How's everybody doing this morning? Bright and early. Oh, forget it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. There we go. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is look really hard into target because I got to see how low this thing is going to see if I'm going to hold the trades. Doing good, Coach. Yay, Larry. I'm glad you're doing good. What's up, old school Mick? What's up, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch? All right. Let's see what's going on here. Target. 1 minute buy stop. 2 minute buy stop. Let's jump ahead here. 10 minute sell to where? 45 minute, 90 minute, 90 minute, 2 hour, 2 hour, negative, 4 hour. Sell. 12 hour, 12 hour daily. Daily sell. Yeah, that's the problem. It's a daily, weekly. Yeah, I was going back down to the weekly blue line. Daily, weekly sell. That fucking sucks. We'll eat it. Then go over to 3 week, and then we go over to monthly. 3 monthly buy. 3 monthly buy. Target. Let me see. 6 month. Bounce. 12 month. Target. No, yeah, I'm still okay with that. Can it go down to here? $82. Yes. Where's it at? 90. 93 target. 6. On the 6 month. Okay. Strong buy, strongest buy recommendation for target. Just follow it down as it goes down. Buy, purchase more. I'm expecting it to go as low as 86 and possibly down to about 80. So that's target. Still
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
absolutely love the trade for target. It's just going to take a little time. That's all. Nike. Do I need to look at Nike? No. I'm going to look at Target. And what was the other one here? Hold on one second. Elevata. FedEx. That was the other one. So let's go over to FedEx and see what's going on with FedEx. Let's go all the way back. All right. We're looking at detail analysis of certain stocks. 1 minute buy to the blue line. Take profit one. $227. Let's see where it's doing up here. 15-minute sell. Where's it going to? 15-minute sell. Yeah, FedEx. No. Is there a higher time frame sell? Nasty looking, but no, that's terrible looking. What a mess. There you go. Okay, daily sell FedEx. Low of $194. Weekly. 3 weekly buy. FedEx monthly buy. 3 month buy. FedEx can go, I don't think it's going to go down there again though. FedEx can go as low as $195.92. FedEx. Actually, I'll be calling a take profit of $250 for FedEx. Love FedEx. Next one I'm going to be looking at. FedEx, Target, QCOM is Qualcomm. Where's that one at? QCOM, right there. Okay, let's take a look at that one. 1 minute. Nope. 5 minutes. Sell. Let me see. 15-minute. Qualcomm to the sell stop. Qualcomm to the 30-minute blue line. 155.75. I wouldn't play that, by the way. I'm just calling it for you that are hyper. 4-hour buy stop. Love the 4-hour buy stop. Qualcomm. 4-hour buy stop. Weekly buy stop. Qualcomm. Monthly buy. 3 week buy. 3 week monthly buy stop. Qualcomm. Take profit 177.77.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now let's take a look again at Target and okay, where the hell's my thing at? Gonna be, there it is. Target and Nike. So let me look at Target one more time. 10-hour sell. Daily sell. 86, 88. Target again. Weekly sell. Monthly. Buy. 3 month. 6 month buy. Is it low enough? Not quite yet. Let me see Nike. 3 month buy. 3 month, 6 month buy. I do like Nike better. Did I put, I don't remember where I have Nike daily, weekly sell. Nike. Let me see. I want to see something. Some of these were still to the blue line. Which one were to the blue line? This is PFE. Starbucks, Flow, Oxy, TMI, SASML. No, Bitcoin, no, none of those. They're way past all of them. Give me just a sec here, having some fun. United, NVO, QCOM, Disney, no. Intel, Match, yeah, Match, 12 hour Match. Let me go down here to the 1 hour on Match. Ooh, I like this Match. This is really nice. Let me see something else on Match. Ooh, I'm a little late. We should have got her in yesterday. Fuck. No, I like Match. Yeah, I like this. Let me see the 3 week. Oh, jeez, really? Can I just have one that doesn't give me a fucking sell stop before the big movement up? All right, let's go off a Match then. It was FedEx a daily. FedEx. Itch. Yeah, FedEx, PNG. No. Equex, no. ED, no. INOQ, no. Too late. INOQ is a good stock. IONQ is fine. It's just not. It's not a lot of movement up. So out of all of these, then which one would I? No, not that. Flow, PFE, no. Let me go back here again. Nike, Target, Nike. Target still has to complete this sell. Weekly, it's there. Weekly, monthly. That's weird. It had a 3 week, didn't have a monthly. Yeah, we just got to be patient with this. It's going to take time. So Target, let me see Nike again. Nike's already there. So Nike's already there. Nike, 3 month, 6 month buy, stop Nike. Monthly, sell, weekly, sell to the blue line. See, this pisses me off. God dang, just stop. Weekly sell, stop Nike to $68. It's got to do it first. How low did it go right there? $56. 6 month. No, it's bouncing off that. It's coming up. 3 months crossed. No, it has not crossed yet. Monthly is crossed. Yes, the monthly is a trigger. So we're triggered in monthly 3 months. Nike, buy, stop. And I can see why I have Nike over Target then. Okay, so what was my other one down here that I liked? No, already correct. Let me see United really quick. Why did I skip over United? Oh, Nike, sell. United sell to $238. Monthly, 3 months. 3 months, 6 month buy, stop. United Healthcare. Is it ready to pop on the monthly? No. See, it still hasn't crossed pink, cross blue. I don't know how you people trade without the sniper. It's the silliest thing I ever heard. Yeah, we're good. Okay. All right, I'll come back to those, but I had to check those out to make sure we're good. I'm going to readjust my other ones. Well, we'll get to that later. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Larry and David and Paydude and Kim, Arginus, Fletch, and Shiraz. Someone's talking over here on TikTok. Oh, Lord. Who's talking? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. FVG, buy. Yeah, okay. We can check it out for you. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, user 6240. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Scott, old school, Larry Cooper, user 6240, Ice, D Nice. Good morning, D Nice. FVG. I will look that up and see if it's worth anything to talk about. FVG. That's what he's talking about? A fund? I mean, it's going to move the same as the indices. I don't get the recommendation, but whatever. Okay, I already don't like it. It doesn't have a... Why does it... I've never seen anything not have hourly like that. That was weird. It's already at a record high. No, I'm not calling this. It's already been done. Morning, D Nice. I don't know. Maybe he meant that as a crypto or something. He didn't put the exchange he wanted. Good morning, Miami Rocks. We already did a little deep dive on a few stocks. Nothing major. Grand Rising. Happy Rising. I like happy if I'm going to do that. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. It's my time. No, whatever this FVG thing is or whatever that was, it's too late. It's already up way. And you should, if you had my system, you'd have been at $10.97. You'd have made 50% on your money. It's my time. It's now or never. Good morning, everybody out there. We're looking at a few stocks. Let's see. I wrote this out somewhere along the way. Dun, dun, dun. It's now or never. It's SPET September 4th. Yeah, beautiful wife Bree. Yep, I've been trading 12 plus years from anywhere in the world. I guess 5 years, 6 years. I don't know. Upcoming on today's show, reviewing a detailed target FedEx. Yep, we did that. The Bree, but I'm going to do that now. Reviewing, you say 35 or 30 symbols. I think we're well over 50 now at this point. And then answering your questions. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Matt Parker. Boy, you boys are up early this day. All right, so that's what we just looked at. Let's go ahead and jump into the B-bot, to the Bree bot, named after my beautiful wife, Bree. All right, we are going to stick with the one. Well, here, let me show you. Because yesterday you guys really liked this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I really wanted to show her. I have to get into this with her tomorrow. All right. Or today. Your 30-minute entry on the B-bot is right, on the B-bot, that's funny, is right here. This is a 12-hour chart on NAS is what we're looking at. The 2-hour entry is this line. The 3-hour entry is this line. The 7-hour entry is this line. The 10-hour entry is this line. See it? And then the 12-hour entry is currently happening. So if you guys notice, the Bree bot is calling out these trades in order. So it first calls out the 30-minute, and then it calls out the 1 hour, obviously, right here. And then the 2-hour, 3-hour, 7-hour, 10-hour. Are you guys... I'm not going to go over in detail unless you need me to. Does everyone see how the rule number, whatever that is, 2, the safety trades form in order? You can see it clearly on the higher time frames. 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 7 hour, 10 hour. And you see how it's always correct. Those gold lines are where the robot calls out the trades. If it was placed on the 10-hour, it would call the 10-hour trade there. Do you all see that? Yeses and sevens? Or am I talking too advanced and none of you even understand one word I'm saying? Good morning, Miami Rocks again. Sevens, if you understand. Okay, so this is the robot calling out entries. Whoopsie. And obviously, it's doing a pretty damn good job. I think it's great. Anybody on YouTube understand what I'm saying? I really don't want to have to explain the whole thing again, but I guess if I have to, I will. So even if you miss a 30-minute entry, you can catch the 1 hour entry. If you miss the 1 hour entry, you can catch the 2 hour entry. If you miss the 2 hour entry, you can catch the 3 hour entry. If you miss the 3 hour entry, you can catch the 7 hour entry. Oh, good. You guys do understand it. Yay. What does that little crown to number 1 mean? What is this? I'm confused. Top fans. What do the crowns mean? What's up, Fletch? I didn't even know this is over here. Oh, look how cute this is. This is kind of like TikTok. A place stand out in the community. Top 3 get special badge and live chat. Oh. Send live messages, send chats and super. Oh, that's cute. Oh, so you guys get your little crowns. I got to tell you. So John Parker is a top fan. Taraya Edwards. Why does it keep saying everybody's number 1? That's weird. Have no clue if it always shows up. Yeah, I don't think it does, though. Or unless that's something new. That might be something new. Number 2, Fletch says, rates the engagement level. I like it. Well, that's cool. Fuck yeah. More like TikTok. Everyone adapts to TikTok. TikTok at one time was ruling the world for a minute. I think it's slipped because it's banning too many creators. It's going to come back and haunt them. They got to be more like YouTube. As long as you're not doing anything directly, that YouTube just allows it. They're so much better with everything. All right. So if you guys understand that, let's take a little closer dive in to the robot. This is the robot. Well, 2. This is the current. Watch. Some of you weren't here yesterday, I don't think. All right. Here is a 1 hour trade executed. You can see clearly now that the robot is calling out the entry level right here. Trade executed, stop loss, it drops in, and the take profit. 7s, if you guys understand that, it's been there for about 4 weeks. Oh, really? 4, it's been there for a month? Probably the beginning of last month then. That's funny, Sog. I never noticed. That's been there for 4 fucking weeks? The little crown thing? Wow. Pretty sad. Sorry I didn't notice. All right, 7s. Yeah, 7s, if you guys understand that the robot is now calling out the exact entry, which is a little late. You'll notice it's a little late still. Me and Keith are working on that. And then it puts in the stop loss and it puts in the take profit. Fucking kick ass. It's been there for 4 weeks. Sog. Shows you how much I pay attention to that shit. All right. Miami rocks good. All right. So with that knowledge in hand, you can clearly see the 30-minute, 1 hour, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we're going to go over to here and we're going to come over to here and I'm going to move this to a 3rd. No, let's move it up. I think I have it coded for a 2 hour. Let me see and make sure. Yes. So we have coded for a 2 hour and I want to come over to here and see. Yep, we do. So there's our 2 hour entry. Nice. Let's come over to here. 2 hour entry. Over to here. So this is a 2 hour entry right here. So this is the one I want to see something on. That looks suspect to me. So we're going to come back over to here. We're going to move this back into thing. It's a good entry. You can see you made money on it. You can clearly see the little up movement right there. But I am concerned of why is it calling out a 2 hour right there? It looks not very good. So we're going to come over to here. We're going to move this to a 30-minute. And I want to see something right here. Was there anything there? So what I'm looking for, that just looks like shit. Okay, something was called on this day. Whatever was called on that day is a bunch of shit, whatever that is. So 2 hour. So let me go up. Does it call a 3 hour yet, though? I don't know if I have that coded, and I could probably go code that. Yes. So it called the 3 hour. Interesting. So it went 1, 2, 3. Let me see if we have a 4. I think I have that coded in a 4 hour. And let's see. No 4 4 hour was called. I don't know if that's coded in. I might have to go check the code. But let me double make sure on that there was a 3 hour. Yes, there was the 3. And then somewhere around there. And then the entrance. That's going to be interesting how that one pops. So if it went 30-minute one, let me see the 1 hour again. Hold on, let me bring this back to 1 hour. So the 1 hour was right here. Pop. That's fishy. That movement up and down right there, that's hundreds of pips. They had to do some kind. That would have been 300 pips. You're right. Like that bullshit. They did something fishy. Some kind of news popped off that day to do that, but that's okay. I'm just trying to see why it took that. So let's go back to this. Okay, so if that's a 2 hour, then we know we're at a 2 hour pull in. Well, let me see something. We'll just call a 3 hour entry. Let's see. It did call a 3 hour entry. Okay, let's see if the entry would have been at 4 hour. No, it did not, but is the 4 hour coded? Is the 4 hour coded with that? What's up, John? Smash that thing. Thank you, John. Good morning, Lair, again. Look at you guys with you. I swear I don't remember those engagements. Well, John's number 1. Sog's number 1. This is cute. Try Edwards number 3. Fletch is number 2. This is fucking awesome. I like it. I never noticed. Sorry. Maybe because I've been a lot on the other one. Anyway. All right. So the 4 hour then. There is not a 4 hour call. So there really is not. I'm guessing later on there's a 4 hour call. Or was there prior? Nope. No 4 hour call there. Interesting. So no 4 hour call. But it did call the 1 hour. Well, did it call the 30 minutes? And let's go over here to the 30 minute and see when it called it. Well, it called it before, so the 30 minute, and then it called the 1 hour. So technically the 30 minute was the correct call. What is this, the 1 hour? No. Where are we at on this one? 30 minute. Another 30 minute happens, where is this happening? Way up here? Yeah. 30 minute. Then the 1 hour, that's correct. See, this is correct. 30 minute, 1 hour. Correct. 30 minute, 1 hour. All right. And then this one would have been the 30. See, yes. Okay, see, so that's correct. So what was it seeing here? Why did it make a call? Where did it make that call at? One call, that's all. Let's see. Let's see, did it call it here when it came above this one? It did. Now, is that the correct entry? It is. So, okay. Let me shrink these down again and see what it was seeing. But yeah, we can't go that far back. That's ridiculous. Yeah, this is nowhere near what we're talking about on the issue here, but let's see what this called. Yeah, so the 30 minute, then the hour. Yeah, so when it's not a 30 minute, 1 hour, let me see this again. When it's not a 30 minute, 1 hour. See, this is another 30 minute. Right, and then it went up and bop, bop, bop. Okay, so that's cool. Well, let me just go back a little bit. You guys okay with me checking this shit out? There's it started a search for a trade. The blue line means it's thinking, but there was never an entrance on the trade. Da, 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 da. Aha, here's one. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Okay, it started to think. It called the trigger here, and there was not. How could there not be a 1 hour? Yo, wait, what? Where's my 1 hour? Oh, it didn't drop below it to see the 1 hour trade right there. That's funny. It didn't drop below to recognize the trade. Well, that's the limitation of fucking computers for you. Ah, that sucks. So that means we technically have to go back to here. Yeah, watch. This will be a 30-minute prior to this one on your left. Yep. 30-minute, pop. 1 hour right after that. Look at that, right at the same time, technically. 30-minute, pop. 1 hour, pop. And then it's the correct trade. There's the blue line thinking for the 30 minutes started first over here. Yeah, much better. I'm still, let me see that bigger one right here. See, then it started to think after the trade again, didn't make the call. See, the blue line, let's be clear. You're going to see a blue, well, you won't, but when it's working, it'll be the blue line thinks and then the green line enters. Blue line thinks, no entry. Blue line thinks, entry. You see what it's doing? It's comparing all 6 indices, 3 different time frames, and looking for a certain set of rules, order of instructions, starting with the sniper. See the pink line cross, the pink line cross. See it? And then and then it goes into the rest of all this jumbo up there. So yeah, this is what you should be noticing. It did a correct trade, didn't do the wrong trade. Did a correct trade, didn't do any of these wrong trades or these wrong trades or these wrong trades or these wrong trades. Not that these were wrong, they'll eventually be coded in actually, but you get the idea. And it didn't take this as a trade. So it made the correct call while not making the incorrect call. Yay. You're welcome, El Ilano. Good morning, El Ilano. 7s, if you guys are understanding at least a little bit of the logic and what you're seeing. You can clearly see blue line, boop, green entry. Blue line, no entry. Blue line, green entry. And then when it makes the entry, now it's telling you where all this is going. Okay. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's see, go back a 30-minute again and see what we got. This will be a good one back here. Watch. Here we go. Okay, so we have a 30-minute, and that's impossible. Ha! It looks too late on this one. Yeah, it missed this entry. Okay, so let's get in a little more detail here. Didn't take this trade. Excellent. But it missed the entry on this trade. It should have caught this one. This is too late. I saw that from a mile away. Let's see if it catches the next version. Yeah, it caught now. Yeah, it caught this one. Excellent. It must have dipped again right there. I can't verify that. I'd have to go over to the actual numbers and see, but probably, maybe it was on NQ1 or SPX. It dipped. Yeah, must have went underneath again. That's why there's a call there. Okay. Well, now let's take a look back at our charty charts and take a look at this, because this is going to be really cool. All right, right here. So we're going to go back to here, and we're going to go to the 1 hour. Oh, the 1 hour did not dip below. So this is just strictly a 30-minute. What about here? It did not dip below. Let me see the 1 hour then. When did it go below? Okay, here. That's an interesting little movement. No, it started to look for the 30-minute, did not take it. Here it is. So we have a 30-minute and then a 1 hour. Yeah, that's correct. 30-minute, 1 hour. Let me see something back over here while we're playing with this. I might as well look at all my time frames while I have a chart. Oh, no. This stays 30. I meant this one go to 15. My fault. All right, so let's see the 30-minute. Okay, so there wasn't a, that's why there's not enough time to look back, cheating ass bastards. Here's the 1 hour and 30-minute pop. 1 hour, 30 minutes, same time. Sniper low. Let me go back to this one. See, there wasn't enough. The 30-minute never called because it flipped. So 1 hour would have called. Let's zoom in on that 1 hour and see. Hey, where's my... Oh, it didn't call the trade. That's why we don't have it. All right, let's see. Okay, even on this shitty... Yep, you'd have made good money on this. This is so shitty to me looking, but if it's got to do what it's got to do. You'd have went up about 20, 30 pips. You'd have dipped down about 30, 40 pips. You would have went up 80 pips. Then you would have went up 200, 195 pips. Can you imagine on a shitty little trade like this? 200 pips. Wow, that's something. Okay. Yeah, I don't know on that. That's interesting. Okay, let's go forward and take a look at these two. So did it call the 30-minute? No, it called the 30-minute for the same time. But see, no, it missed the 30-minute. It should have saw this 30-minute right here. Yeah, it should have. And then this one right here on the half. So why didn't it catch this one? Why didn't it catch this one? It's pink. Let's see. No, okay, I see. Well, it should have caught it here then. Pink arched up, blue, the orange below, both the green and the yellow. Yeah, why didn't it catch it right here? One of those entrances, let me see. It would have been this entrance right there. Right here. So why didn't it catch this? Let me see what it looked like. Yeah, the 1 hour, no, the 1 hour did not. I could see the 1 hour, but this 30 minutes should have been caught right there. Let me see something with Keith. Be right, just looking really quick. An elevator. In an elevator. All right. Now, yeah, it needs to catch that. I'm going to have to get with Keith on that. Yeah, that's a lot of movement up. That's a big movement up. We need that. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. I hope we have a lot of thumbs up. I've already called off a 3-minute buy stop to the blue line for US 30. I have no idea where we're at. All right, NAS 30 minutes. Okay, let's keep on rolling back then. Let's take our 1 hour again and go back. Here we go. Beautiful one. This is beautiful. Can we get there? Yes. Okay, so we have a 30-minute entry prior. And good morning, Grant. Let's see. The entry was called here. That's interesting. Would it have called? Didn't call it on the 1 hour, right? So we had the drawdown on the 30-minute. Was it correctly called? Yep. It started to look. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Crossed. Went up. It did. Called it correctly. Of course, you'd have made a shit ton of money, but that's a big drawdown right there. So we're going to have to correct that entry. Somewhere around there. I hate the way TradingView does its boxes. Oh, my God. All right, somewhere around 200 pips. Entirely too much of a drawdown. But if we go over to the 1 hour, the very next call it would make, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, there is no drawdown whatsoever. So entered, well, depending on how they read this, it's either going to enter at close of candle or the orange line, which is what I prefer. Yeah, I don't. If it's the orange line, there's zero drawdown, and then you're up through 200, 300, 400 pips. So yeah, so 30-minute would be the call. Once it makes a call in a 30-minute, it will look for the 1 hour. I think we're going to have new order of operations added into that. Let me go back again to the 1 hour. Started to look right here. Did it find one right there? No, but it found a 30-minute, but it did not find a 1 hour. And then it hooked over, then it found it there. Okay, gotcha. That's a cool, good read. Boy, this thing's fucking smart already. All right, let's see if this is true. We should have had a 30-minute first, which is right here, correct? Then the 1 hour right here. What would it have called it? Pink cross blue, yep. Where would it have gathered in at? Let's see if this has a drawdown 1 hour or not. Now, this is going to be entirely dependent if the thing's smart enough to grab it, which I'm probably going to have it coded down to like the 15-second, 30-second entry. But if we can grab it here, went up 66 pips. If we can't grab it there and it's at the close of this one, it went up 30 pips. No, that'll be profit. Can you imagine? I'm looking at that trade thinking, my God, why did it take it? And you're still making 30, 40 pips profit. Kind of funny. And then obviously it ended up going up hundreds of pips. But that's interesting. I like that. Okay, let's go back to the next thing for the hour. Hour. Ooh, we got a ways to go on this one. Nope, nothing there. Nope, nothing there. Here we go. So we should see a 30-minute first. Let's see if we do or not. If it can go back that far, I don't know. Okay, there is no 30-minute. Why is there? Did it come way before then? Yes, it did. Okay. So the 30-minute, it was a 30-minute buy stop to the blue line of the 1 hour. That is going to be a powerful trade right there. Trade execute, we know that's correct. Everything's correct. It made money. Right. Okay, then the 1 hour popped in. And see, it can't make this long distance call like it just did. It can't start looking. It missed this, so it needs to do better. And then the 1 hour was entered there. Let me see if the... Oh, Jiminy Christmas. Hold on 1 second. Let me see if the... if this is the correct... Let me switch this really quick over to 2 hour. Right. So the 2 hour. So you have the 30-minute. We have the 30-minute buy stop, fill in the gap to the 2 hour blue line. And then we have the 2 hour. Can it read it from bottom up? It can go quicker that way. It can do that. Sorry for the boringness. I'm looking over some order of operations for the upcoming Brebot. Two hour, and that's the thing, so that'll be at the bottom. So this is the buy stop, and then it goes 30-minute 2 hour. Well, if that's the case, then let me look back on the 2 hours and see how this looks. Gee whiz. It's a hell of a fall right there. Damn. Okay, let's go over to here. Can it go back that far? Let's see. Okay, and then over to here. Okay, so how did it not have it? There had to be way earlier then. 30-minute. There you go. Okay, 30-minute buy stop to the blue line again on the 2 hour. See the pattern we're seeing here? 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute buy stop to the 2 hour blue line. Fill in gap. And that's correct, because that would be the thing right here. Let me see what it looks like on the 30. 30 right here. So this is the full red, and then the blue comes up, correct? Okay. Let's go back to the 2 hour again. Okay, it start. Oh, no more history. Fuck. 2 hours starts to look. It finds the trade here. But that's unacceptable. It needed to find the trade right here. Why didn't it take this trade? Oh, it didn't go below, so it couldn't take that trade. Did it take anything here? Did it go below? Yes. Pink line rose. Yes. Orange under. Yes. This is a correct entry. Yep. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This has got to be hundreds and hundreds of pips right there to here. 700 pips. Any drawdown from entry, which would have been right there. Yes, maybe a 10, 15, 20 pip drawdown. 700 up. Wow. Okay, that's pretty solid on a 2 hour. Let me see if we go forward now. So that's the first time, nothing. This is interesting. What did it call it? A 30-minute there. Yeah, oh, that's what we just did. Yeah, that's a 30-minute. And then the 2 hour. Let me see how that looks. Oh, yeah, that's a really great entry. Just because we're zoomed in, it doesn't look like a lot, doesn't mean there's not a lot there. This is a very nice entry. Beautiful. Zero drawdown. 300 pips up. Gorgeous. Fucking gorgeous trade. All right, let's take a look again. Yep, we got a call out here. So we'd had a 30-minute first, probably way back here somewhere. Yep, right here. Call out here. Obviously, it went up good, so we're good on that. So that's a nice 30-minute, 2 hour. Interesting. Let's see how these looked. We have a 30-minute correct. We have a 2 hour. Is this right, though? Let's see. I know we just looked at these, but I do this over and over and over again until my mind sees what I need to see. Trust me. If I don't see something, it doesn't count, and I'm pissed, and we have to redo the code. But right now, it's looking good. Here, depending on how that moved, we went up 25 or we went down 70. And then up, yeah. And it's a buy stop to the blue line. So, yeah, that was all good. Oh, my goodness. Up probably about 300-400 pips on that trade. Let's go back. And touched it. That's amazing. Nothing. Didn't make a call. Didn't make a call. Whoopsie. There we go. 2 hour made a call. There's a 30-minute call first. Was there a 30-minute on this one? No, there was not. 30-minute on this one. Yeah. Oh, look at them all. Jeez, oh, pizza. Look at them all. Hold on. $30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute. Interesting. 30-minute. And then there's my 2 hour call. Is that correct on a 2 hour call? Well, that 2 hour is like flaming hot. Yep, absolutely correct. Good call. So there's a 2 hour call. It dipped under there enough to make the call. Let's go back to here. It should have been at least, yeah, there's one 30-minute right there. Here's my 2 hour. Let's see how it looks on the 30-minute. 2 hour call. Okay, let's see. 2 hour call, 2 hour call. Okay. 2 hour call. So this is here entry. Yep, that'd have been beautiful. Now it's showing a drawdown, so we have to count that. So about 80 pips. That's a bit severe, but I'm going to think we're on NAS. Now, if we were doing this in SPX, the drawdown would be like 20 pips. At the worst, you'd have nothing. All right, so about 120 up at that point. So that would have been your take profit. So let's see how this looks. Oh, I see. Then it would have dipped. Would it have tapped out? Depending. Where was this? Oh, we don't have it on there. I don't know why it's not on there. So yeah, no, we'd have been okay. Let's go back. Keep going. Nice. Nice. You know, everything doesn't have to be 700 pips. That's still a nice little, oh, shit. So this would have been called out on the 4-hour then, and then the 10-hour. Oh, my gosh. Okay, that would have ended up being, yeah, if you let your runner run or re-entered on the higher time frames. 2,000. Okay, never mind. I guess they're all going to be pretty solid on the 2 hours. This is interesting. Let's see, was there a 30-minute call? Yes. Started to look again, didn't call. Here's a 2-hour. Let's see this one. Let's see. 2-hour, 2-hour. Okay, this is looking horrid, but let's see how it ended up. So here, entry here. So let's take a look. If it would have caught it on the orange line, you'd have had drawdown of about 50, 60, 70 pips. And then you'd have made 100 if you'd have went here. Say it didn't go down. We'd have to go to the smaller time frames. You'd have made 80 pips immediately. On a horrible. I'm going to have to check that, though, and see why it's calling that entry. It's not considering RD1. If RD1 was considered, that trade would not have been called. Do I want to see the code? Pull the chart away and look to see if RD1 is being, hold on a second. Let me pull this away real quick. Let me see something really quick. Yeah, use RD1 in calculations. It shouldn't have called the trade. What the hell? What the helly? That's interesting. Why? What the hell, entree? Yeah, what is this about? Yeah, there's no, so he's got to tweak something right there. Keith does, the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Good morning, little Joe. Yard Dog, good morning. Good morning, Yard Dog. Yard Dog, off 7 is over. Thanks. Thank you, Yard Dog. I appreciate you going over this because I can't believe you and Keith have created something that trades exactly like you. It's really close. Thank you, Sog. Pay Dude, this is not boring. It's actually very helpful. Oh, nice, Pay Dude. All right. So what you're looking at is it's saying it's using the RDI1 in the calculations, but if it's using RDI1 in the calculations, it wouldn't have called the damn trade. So I don't want to be picky about it, but yeah, it's not using the RD1 in its calculations, meaning when it flipped under, when the RD1, real direction bar 1, when it stays green, it should call the trade. When it turns to red, it shouldn't call the trade. So that was a little iffy on that call. It's something isn't right in the code on that one. So there isn't a 30-minute. So the 30-minute had to be back here. Yes, here's the 30-minute entry. Buy stop to the blue line of the 3 hour. Oh, it's just a 3-hour call. Yeah, I got you. 2 hour. Here's your 2-hour entry right here. A thing of perfection. Let's see what it looks like right there. Yeah. 2-hour entry. 7-hour entry. Ah, this is amazing. Okay, so where were we? Sorry. All right, let's go back one more. I'm just going to do this one more time, then I'll be done. All right, here's the 2-hour. And we have 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute. See, this is this is a prime example of what I was just saying. Look, if RD1 is included, meaning this thing, when it turns red, it shouldn't call this trade. This turned red and it shouldn't call the trade. I don't know why it called this trade. If the RD1, which is on, I have it turned on, so it shouldn't call this 2-hour buy stop. Technically, it should call this 2-hour buy stop. It would be the one it calls right here. It's just a technicality. You guys don't have to worry about it. It's just me being very, 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 very particular. I don't like fucking around. It's if I say it's to do something, it needs to do exactly as said. And it's probably 99% not Keith's even issue. It's the stupid trading view has such limits for him. I feel so bad for him. There is the buy stop 30 minute. Now let's see. Nothing here. Oh, yep. Why didn't it catch this one? Oh, blue line didn't go down far enough. It goes below. Catches flips right here. Let's see, because this is actually a very good call. Let's see why it did what it did. Okay. Pink cross blue, green, 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 red. A point of entry, it was there. Now, is it going to call it here? Is it going to call it there? Or is it going to call it here? We'll just go with here. So in which case it dipped down 30 pips, went up 65. If it was from here, however, which I'm going to have to drop it down to like the 1 minute. It would have been zero drawdown and 117, 135 pips up. Wow. Interesting on that one. How are we going to get it to read it? Because it didn't go over. Otherwise, it would have caught it here if we're trying to do that. I'll have to go down to that 30-second, probably 1 minute time frame and see what it's reading. Maybe I can get it to do a buy stop right here on the 1 minute to enter in better, or at least closer. Because obviously this 2 hour this 2 hour candle's made up of, a whole shit ton of 1 minutes, and 5 minutes are in there. I don't even think I can go back there on the 5 minute, actually. All right. Anybody have any questions over what I'm going over? This is really interesting. 30-minute, 2 hour. Call the 30, call the hourly. I don't think we're going to have a 90-minute, and then we'll go to 2 hour, and then 4 hour. And then, we got to put this over here for a second. There we go. And then, of course, the 10 hour, 12 hour, and then the dailies. It'll read all the way up. As long as there's something to read, it'll read it. Okay, cool. All right, any questions over any of this? Some of you may or may not have noticed, if you're new, that it's now calling out the actual numbers of what it's seeing for entrances, stop losses, and take profits. Entrances over here, stop loss, take profits. So the robot is now thinking and clearly defining where we want the entrance at, where we want the stop loss at, where we want to take profits at. And then it will learn to do re-entrances, then it will learn to do runners, and then it will learn to do everything. Yay. So far, so good. No, I'm very, very happy. I have no qualms about this. Zero. And again, for those of you who are a little bit late to the party, we can look in and zoom right here. And if you come right here, Look how cute this is. Boom. 30-minute, 3 hour. Boom, 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 all the way up. It is so cool to see it, As is, by the way, we're on a 12-hour buy stop on NAS, SPX, US 30, ES1, all those. It is a 12-hour buy stop on NAS. This is a little free for boring you guys to sleep there. NAS will be going past 23,700 again, and then it will go past a new record high, and that is NAS. And that's all indices, by the way, just so you're clear. Take any buy stop, demo trade only, not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You can clearly see the first 12-hour was here. This is your second 12-hour. And if any of you guys know anything, red down, green up, red down, gee, I wonder if this is going to be your next part. This will hook and come up. Actually, the blue will hook and come up with this one right there. You'll see price action go above here, here, and here. And that's it. But now, you're asking for this buy stop and for it to go up, which it will. But the reality of it is you should have been in, and I wonder if this is back in April the 7th or 8th. Let's take a look. April the 28th. So I called it a lot earlier. I was calling it back here. Yeah. See, I was calling for the buy at the absolute low. Wow. Okay, sometimes I even I'm pressing myself. So this is a April the 7th or 8th. I was calling out a buy stop on all indices. Did I call the absolute bottom or did I fucking call the absolute bottom? And then there's your entrances. The robot wouldn't have caught that. I can't get it to be that good. There's just no fucking way. But the robot would have caught the 30-minute, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, the 7 hour. These are all the entrances from the robot, the 10 hour and the 12 hour you're currently on. So that's it. Look at that. So I was calling you can go back to the 7th and 8th and hear me call it. You can't say I didn't. It's live. There's nothing to fucking argue about. Sort of God. Negative ass people with no lives in this world. I called it right back here. The robot called it first time, which is extremely good. I mean, hello. Here, 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 and here again. Now the robot made a final call right here on a 12 hour. Well, not a final, but a 12-hour call. And then once it's done with the 12 hour, we'll look at the daily. And if the daily's too high, you might start seeing some sells. We might be reaching the peak of the market for a while, but I'll have to see on that as this 12 hour develops and goes. Little Joe. Okay. All right. Now, this is going to work on all symbols. Obviously, it's working on NAS and SPX, ES1, and NQ1. But it'll be working on gold. The robot there'll be a Breebot gold version. There'll be a Breebot silver version. There'll be a Breebot, I don't know, pick any symbol you want version. So yeah, there'll be a Breebot for all of them. Where were we at on this one? 3 minute. Oh yeah, why didn't anyone tell me? The 3 minute blue line was hit. The 4 minute blue line buy stop US 30 to the 4 minute. Why didn't anyone tell me the 3 minute hit? And buy stop all indices to the free money giveaway to the 5 minute blue line for YM1 and US 30 to the 5 minute blue line. This particular call that I made to the 3 minute blue line is all thanks to our handy dandy semi-automatic AI robot right here. They're called the Uno Reverse. All green. We took the buy stop to the 3 minute. It hit it. And then I'm calling it to the 5 minute now because, well, it's calling it to the 5 minute. The sniper is being checked constantly from 1 tick to the 2 tick, 5 tick, 10 tick, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute. It's constantly being checked. And there you go. Why didn't anyone tell me we hit the fucking 3 minute mark? Well, that was your free money. So the whole time I'm talking, it was somewhere, I don't remember where it called. Well, however long I've been on, probably somewhere down there. Yeah, you'd have made 50, 60 pips on US 30 and YM1. Free money giveaway, buy stop, back ricochet to the 3 minute blue line for US 30 YM1, then the 4 minute blue line, then the 5 minute blue line. So as I was going over the robot stuff, you actually could have been making your demo money. If you have a chance, says Eleno. I don't see anything you're asking, Eleno. It might be blocking your question. Good morning, Filio. What's up, Filio? Everyone's saying it's not boring. I think it's a little boring this morning. But got to do what we got to do. Oh. Buy stop. Ricochet to the 4 minute blue line of US 30 to the 4 minute blue line of YM1. And you know the rules are as one goes up, they all go up. So we have free money on all indices. Now, if someone could kindly tell me when US 30 or YM1 hits its 4-minute blue line, I'm going to make some more call outs. Okay, so here we go. Maybe I can do this. Hello? Oh, there we go. All right. So I'm going to make my call. It's all right. Here we go. There's no questions. I'm going to rip out a whole bunch of these things. All right. I've correctly called out, and technically I'm just giving you bonus calls now because US 30, YM1, NASDAQ, Q1, SPX, ES1 are all closed trades. I'm calling them all to the 4-minute blue line of US 30 and YM1. These are buy stops, free money giveaways, but these are closed, meaning I called them all the way up to the weekly 100% accurately. They're pretty much peaked. There's not much left to do. There's going to be new record highs. That's all. I need a pullback to make some more good calls for you guys. Gold. We've been calling out gold, thanks to great Kim Harrington, for years and years and years, one of our members. Gold, let's see where it's going to. It's a little sell, which is awesome. Anytime you get a sell on gold is fantastic. Sell stop gold towards the 3-minute blue line. I wouldn't touch that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. I would be looking for, well, there's a 10-minute on there. Isn't there now? 30-minute. Oh, yeah, I love it. 30-minute buy. 1 hour buy. 1 hour buy, stop gold, take profit, $3,560.96. Didn't I call out 3,500 just a little bit ago? Damn, gold just shot up right through it. Damn, am I good? 4 hour buy, 3 hour buy, 4 hour buy, gold. Let's see our daily. Take any 30-minute buy, stop on gold. Look at it. If you didn't notice, triple bottom, green, 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 red, green, green, red, green, green, red. Pop, up she went to the new record high that I called out. So now we're up to 6 indices, 1 gold I called, and silver. Silver is also at a record high. It's been also a closed trade, meaning every call I've made on it is done and finished. I'm just giving you free money on gold, silver, and the 6 indices because, well, I like you all. Litecoin. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now let's see if we have any more sells on Litecoin to get fucking through. We do. God dang fuck. 5 minute, 10-minute. Nope, already passed it. 15-minute. Oh, way past it. 90-minute. Nope, somewhere around the 45-minute. Nope, way past it. 1 hour. Nope, below it. 2 hour. 90-minute. It's not going to do it. I'm going to call a sell stop. It's already ricocheted 3 times. $109 for Litecoin. I wouldn't touch that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. Oh, maybe I would. 109. How low is this? Yeah, you can see Litecoin go down to about 105. Damn, fucking 7-hour sells. That's a 7-hour sell, Kim. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. 3 weekly buy. 3 month. 3-month buy. Oh, that's gorgeous right there. 6 month. Can't read it. 12 month. Can't read it. Can't read it. 3 month. 3 month. Monthly 3-month buy stop. Absolutely love it. Minimum I see this going to is $150 for Litecoin.
I am not a financial advisor.
Nike, I went into a lot of detail earlier. I'm good on Nike. I'm just going to call it straight out. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. It is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I love Nike. Take profits, 82, 93. I just love to take profit of 125 for Nike and then eventually 170. Target.
Demo trade only.
Love Target.
I am not a financial advisor.
Still has, they both have a little room. They're going to dip down a little bit. $89 for Target, for instance, but I'm going to go long term here. $115, $132, and I love $173 Target. CVS, you've already made a shit ton of CVS. I've been calling it since about $46, $47, the very bottom. CVS has still a couple of good take profits. I love the $87 take profit, and then eventually it'll go past 110.
Demo trade
Estee
financial
Lauder.
advisor.
Wouldn't go hog wild on it, but we've made some good money on it. It's going to go eventually over 100, 130, 150, 200. Favorite take profit is 260.
Demo trade only. I am
Verizon.
not a financial advisor.
Love Verizon. Verizon is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. I love it. It's going to go to $47, $53. I love the $53 and over 60.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
SMCI. Yep, we like that. 3 months is perfect. Monthly. This is gorgeous. 3 months. Yeah, 3-month buy stop, SMCI. You have plenty of time. It's going to go to $48. Love the $71. Where's it at? $40, SMCI. Let me see the higher time frames. Can't tell. Oh, that's nice. 3 months. Oh, that's real nice. Let me see that. Yeah, SMCI monthly. Yeah. Damn, that's where it's currently at. It's currently at $39, $40. Ooh, that's nice. Weekly, daily. Oh, it's above its blue line, but that's all right. 12-hour. What is this, like a 7-hour sell? It is 7-hour sell, 10-hour, 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 11, daily, 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 weekly, 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 weekly. 3 week, 3 week, 3 week. Monthly. Yeah. So it is going to do it. 3 week monthly. I don't know what brought this down. This is really good. SMCI, strongest buy recommendation. How low can it go? It can go down to about 25, 30. No, it's going back to 57 and then 70 for SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
I might have to
advisor.
swing back into that one. PFE. It's going to dip a little further, but I don't care. It is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Love it. Take profit $30, $33, $41, PFE, and then over 60.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So Pfizer, let me see. Is it going to the daily? Oh, it is. Oh, ooh, we have a 12-hour. Hold on. What's going on with the sell? There's got to be a sell down here. Yeah, there is. What's this doing? Are we going to go down to the 30-minute? Come on. Sell to the 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. Nope, that's a buy. 15-minute buy. 11-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute. Sell. Nope. 5 minutes of the buy. Ooh. 12-hour daily. 12-hour daily. That is too tempting. Jeez. Oh, and we have the ricochet off the 4-hour? You're kidding me. Buy stop to the 4-hour blue line. PFE, $25.94. Where's this at? $24. How low can that go? Daily. 12-hour buy. $25. $28 from 24 to 28. That's not going to be as much as I want, but let's see. $32 from 24. 32 from 24. Then it's a sell weekly. So how low is that going to go if we go a sell weekly? $21.83. Sell daily, weekly sell for PFE. $21 from here to 24. That's not bad. Can it go down lower? Let me see the 3 week. Yes, it can, but will it? Monthly, 3-month buy. 3-month buy, PFE. 3 months, 6 month buy. I just love this. No, this is really good. PFE, strongest buy recommendation possible. $28, $34, and my favorite is over $40. Eventually, it'll meander past 60.
Demo trade only.
So from
I am not a financial advisor.
$24 260. $24 to what's this one? $24. It'll be pretty much double your money. PFE. Let me Precious is money. Let's see here. I don't like this. Take that away. PFE. SMCI. Is that the one? SMCI? Yep. Precious. Got it. Okay. Morning, Stacy. Morning, Filio. Morning, everybody on TikTok. 4-minute hit. Oh, thank you. Who was that? Lazarus. Thank you, Lazarus. I got to remember PFE. Well, let's go back to the 4-minute. Hold on, let's see. 4-minute was hit. I was told for, yep, touchdown. We have touchdowns for YM1. Thank you so much, Lazarus, for the call out. That is another. You're welcome, Eleno. Sorry, I can't say your name right. Forgive me. But yeah, we have another. How many thumbs up we got on YouTube? There better be a lot of thumbs up on YouTube. I guess it's okay. Not really a lot. All right. Yeah, so it's going to ricochet, go right back up to the 4-hour. I'm going to call the 4-hour. I'm going to call the 5-minute next. Buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. All indices are going to ricochet. Take profit for NAS is 23,485. Take profit for NQ1, 23,531. Take profit for SPX, 6,481. Take profit for ES1, 6,473. Take profit for US30, 45,292. Take profit for YM1. There isn't any. I can't read it. Hold on. YM1, 45,365.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
This is way better than that. Yeah. All right. Now, PFE, Starbucks. It's a really good little trade, but quite frankly, I only follow it because we love it. My wife and I love Starbucks. $108 is take profit for Starbucks. Flow Rida. Let me see if we have time to go to the daily on this one. Oh, look at that. Daily, weekly sell to the weekly blue line, to the 3. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is awesome. Follow this down. This is fantastic flow. This is gorgeous. Oh, let me see on the 12-month. Oh, we're out of the yellow. Buy stop, flow. Take profit one, $15, then $18. I love $21 on flow. What a cute little thing. I hope it keeps dropping. Maybe it'll go down to single digits and we could all jump in. Oxy. Yeah, Oxy was really good. I got to look at Oxy. Was it to the daily? Yes. Hold on, 12-hour. Buy stop, Oxy. This is great. To the 4-hour. Ricochet, buy stop, Oxy to the 4-hour blue line, $48.02. To the 10-hour blue line, $51. Where is it at? $51.46. Oh, he's not going to be thrilled with this one, but I don't care. It's a good call. To the daily, $52. To the weekly, sell. Daily, weekly, sell. All right, I'm going to call it, but it isn't going to go that low. $26. No way is it going that low. Monthly. 3 months. 6 months. Still at 3 months, 6 months. You got a little sell on that monthly. And then you got the buy. 6 months, 12-month buy stop. How low will it go? I could see it going back down to $35 before it arches up, but I don't care. Take profits or take profits, $63, and then eventually it's going to go over $82. And this is who? Oxy. Man, that's double your fucking money. Hold on, let me make that one down too. Because we have about $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 that I'm looking to drop in somewhere. So anyway, TM. 3-week buy stop. What's the daily doing? Already passed it. All right, weekly. 3 weekly, monthly, 3 monthly. Yeah, monthly buy stop. It's going to go to $203. Yeah. And that's where it's going to, then past 250, TM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ASML. Weekly. 3 weekly, monthly. 3 weekly, monthly. This is nice. What the hell does ASML do? Someone told me, I think, one time. I forgot. ASML. It's a little over the top over there. It's still a very good 3 week monthly buy. It's definitely going back to 788. Definitely going back to 882. Love the trade. It's a nice little trade for ASML.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, let's keep on rolling. T, it's been correct. Every call out for AT&T has been 100% correct. It's all in the money. Everything's up. It's hit its orange take profit. I mean, it's going to go to $30.27, but then it's going to go over $43. I mean, is that bad though? No, that's a really nice AT&T. It's nice. It's a nice little play. Bitcoin been calling correctly since 26,500, March the 8th, 2023. It's done everything I wanted to do. It's technically closed like AT&T is 100% correctly called out. It's going to keep going up, but it's called out to everything I wanted to do. Ethereum is called out to everything I wanted to do. It's going to keep going up. XRP is called out. XRP was 31 cents. It went over to 310. You'd have made 1,000% on your money on XRP. I refuse to call it anymore, even though it's going to go past 362 again. XLM, same thing, nonstop profit. Amazon since $91. I told you, look, you're already in the money from the last hour. Fuck that. Yeah, it's going to go up like I told you. Just keep buying Amazon. Netflix, again, done everything I wanted to do. It's way overvalued. I'm not calling it for real. NVIDIA, buy any 30-minute buy stop you can. J&J, look at J&J. I called J&J within cents. I don't even know if it was within 87 cents. I called it probably within 13 cents of the absolute low. Amazing with my J&J call, but it's already done everything I wanted to. I'm not going to say it's not going to continue to keep going up, but it's already gone up everything I wanted to do and then some. J&J was just fantastic. Thank you, J&J, for all your greatness. AMD, it's done everything. I called it November 5th of last year to do what it did, and it's already done it. Take any 30-minute buy stop until it's over 227. Costco, I've been calling it out since here, wherever this was at 890 or something, 880. It's going to go back over 1100. I've been calling that out. It's also closed. McDonald's since 11.5. It's also a closed trade. It's done everything I wanted to do. Microsoft, it's done everything I wanted to. Look, we got in right here. Look at this, 409, and it went up to 561. Take any 30-minute buy stop on Microsoft. Hilton's another one that's a closed trade. We made every dollar possible on Hilton. It's done everything I wanted to. I won't call it anymore. Google was called out by our signal service along with Hilton, done perfectly. It's done everything I've ever asked of it, and then some. Can't call Google anymore. Apple called it back on November 5th, back here when it was at 200, like 201 or something, I think. I forgot. We can click on it. 204. It's gone up to 238. It's done everything I asked for. You can see the take profits right here of what I was asking. All of it is a closed trade for Apple. Those who have 25 correctly called, 100% correctly called trade. Tesla, also technically a closed trade. It's gone up exactly what I wanted, but I'm still getting a Billy. I want a Billy from Elon for this. It's going to go back up to here. It's going to go back up there. Keep buying Tesla. Demo trade only, $400, and then it will go over $500. United Healthcare, this is a nice one. You have plenty of time on this one. This is a 3-month buy stop. Take profit 320, 400, 500, and then 621. I love it. Now, how much further is it going to go down, however? Daily sell, daily, weekly sell. It'll go back down to $248. Ugh. But then look for the buy. After it goes down to $248, then look for the buy. But that's going to do it. It's amazing. Just dollar cost average in. It's just going to be really good for United Healthcare. NVO. NVO is a monthly, but I forgot. I thought there was a little sell here. There is. 12-hour daily sell. 12-hour daily sell. $47.43 for the sell. But I love, love, love the buy. It is a monthly, 3-monthly buy. Take profit $65, then $93, and then it will go over $140.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
QCOM. This is the one I'm going to dive in again, even though I just did it this morning. QCOM. No, I love it. 1 hour sell. Nope. 45-minute sell. Yeah, could go down to there. 45-minute sell. Yeah, it's going to ricochet, come back down. 155.08 on a 45-minute sell, but I wouldn't touch that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. 10-hour buy. Love the buy. Daily. Daily, weekly buy, 3 weekly buy, 3 weekly, monthly buy. Let me see the 6 months. Oh, this is so good. Look at that green. Look at that green. It's a little high. It's a little pricey on that end, but I still think you're going to see this push up. Yeah, you are. 3-week buy, stop, take profit of $175. Where's it at? That's not bad. And then over $220 for QCOM.
Demo trade only.
Oh,
I am
Disney.
not a financial advisor.
Oh, Disney's a sell. Fuck. Nope. Hold on. Let me get down here. Disney. It's already past it. 4 hour. 10 hour. 10 hour daily buy. Daily buy Disney. Take profit of $121. Monthly buy Disney. 3-month buy Disney. 6-month buy Disney. 3-month buy Disney. Kind of a little late getting in, but it's good. $123. I love $146 for Disney. $181 for Disney.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I do like that. Oh, you're getting a reversal. 15-second sell to the blue line, US 30. There is a reversal going on. Sorry, I didn't see this over there. My bad. We're getting Disney. Dancing upon a star. Disney. Yeah, Disney's a nice strong buy. I hope they wake up from their wokeness. Intel. Doesn't everybody saying Intel sucks? Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Let me see the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. We have touchdown, by the way, to the 4 hour blue line. That was called out to the 10 hour. Buy, stop, Intel. $27.48. Love the trade daily. Buy, stop to $38.15. Love the trade. Oh, do not have a weekly, 3 weekly sell. Motherfuck. Weekly sell, stop, Intel. Do I think it's going to go back to $19? Calling it. Right down $19 on this sell. I wouldn't touch it with a 1,000,000-foot pole, though, because this is a 6-month, 12-month buy, stop. Super strong. I don't give a fuck. Tell everyone says that Intel's going to go down to nothing. I'll take that bet. Fuck you. I'm the best it's ever been. Not me. I'm just singing a Jack Daniels song. Now, who is that Leonard Skinner song? Devil went down to Georgia. You're pretty good, son of a bitch, but I'm the best it's ever been. $27 take profit. I'm not saying I am. I give God all the glory. I never say I'm a good trader. I know we have better traders in my group than me. I'm just a lowly person here trying to help you all. $35.26. $50. I love Intel 50. Where's it at? 24? Ah, damn. How low did I think that's going to go? Shit. Man, that's really nice. It's going to dip, though. It's going to dip. You got to be patient. Fuck. I can see it went down to that $18, $19. Man, if I ever see that $18, $19, we're going to move Intel to the top of our charts. It's still such a good trade. Fuck y'all. Intel's going up. Fuck out of here. Match. Let's see, daily match. Nice. 12 hour. Nice. We got the 4 hour. Already passed it. 9 hour. Buy, stop, ricochet, match. $38.87. Match, buy, stop to the blue line. $50. Where's it at? 37. Match is good, or Mitch as I like to call him. There is that sell I'm overlooking it. 6-month buy. $52. $91 match. From 36 to 91. I like it. FedEx. There's another one I looked at hard this morning. FedEx. Nope. Let's see. 10 hour? 10 hour buy. 10, 12. No. Daily sell. Sell daily down to $217 FedEx. I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. 3-month buy month. Okay, yeah. 3-month buy stop FedEx. $255 and then $301. Love it. P&G. PN or PG, sorry. PG. Shouldn't confuse everybody. PNG, Procter & Gamble. Yeah. Oh, that is nice. Let me see this right. I thought we had a sell on this down here. No. Nice. Already hit it. Buy stop, PNG. $160 take profit. Where's it at? 158. Oh, that's why he's not wanting me to take this. Oh, and then we have a daily sell. Are you shitting me? Why do they always have to do this to me? Daily, weekly. Will it go that low? I can see 149. Where is the daily at? 151. Daily sell, PNG to 151 on the ricochet. Do I think it's going to do that? No, I don't think we're going to see that low again. No, I don't even care. 3-week monthly buy stop. That's what I'm calling. Take profit 162, 167. Where was it? 158. Oh, well, it is what it is. EQIX, Equinix. Okay, can't say it. EQIX. Let's see what it's got. 4 hour. Sell. Not good. 10 hour. Sell. 12 hour. Sell to the daily. Yep, just hit the daily. 12 hours. I said, okay. Yeah, now once it hit it, can it go down this low? To $708 EQIX. But I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stop, $819, $866, $984. JHX.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
James Hardy Industries. James Hardy, he used to play for the Dallas Cowboys. He was a domestic abuser. It was really bad. Daily sell, weekly sell, 3 weekly, monthly sell. It's going to dip a little bit more. Oh, this is why I liked it. Okay, really long term. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. JHX. $24, make it $30, and eventually go over $42. JHX. ED. Why do I have this here? Oh, okay. Daily sell, 12 hour. Sell ricochet. It's an arch up, come back down. It's going to go to the 12-hour blue line, $95.75. But after that, it's actually a really strong, okay, Wednesday. Okay, it is a weekly buy, $105, and it will go over $114. I should take that off there. It's not even one of my favorites. Let me take this one off of there too, actually. And then EUR USD. Oh, nice. It dipped a little. Let's see where we're going down to. Must be a 1 hour. 1 hour sell, 1.16228 for EUR USD. I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. It is actually a weekly, so it's a 12-hour daily buy stop going back to 1.18056, 1.19261, and then 1.20. And that is EUR USD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, okay. So how many symbols did I just call out? Pay attention when you skip over analyzing. That boosted me from knowledgeable to competent with the system. Nice, Crash. That is correct. You don't want to do sells and go against the flow. Just part of the rules. Trust me on that. See you guys, Yard Dog, going to work. It's over. Game over. For Pharaoh, that's funny. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Shane McDonald. What about GC? I don't know. What about GC? You want me to look at GC, Shane? Knowing a true sell from one that is skipped improves your entries. Yes. Well, if you follow the rule of if it's to the left of the EMAs, it can only go up. You really wouldn't get into any kind of bad entries, actually, but whatever. Sell, SPX. Let me see SPX really quick. What time frame is that? 10 seconds. Let's see. Well, let's go down there. Here, let's go down to 10 seconds and see what's going on, peeps. 10 seconds sell to the blue line, but I don't care about that. Let me see. Buy stop 1 second, 5 second. 10 seconds sell to the blue. It's already hit it. Sell stop ES1 SPX to the 10 and 15. I'm sorry, to the 15-second blue line. I wouldn't play these sells, but that's great. Take it. Sell stop to the 30-second blue line, towards it anyways, all indices. But I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole because these are all turning into 4-minute buy stops. And it's a 4-minute buy stop to the 5-minute blue line of US 30. Now try that one on for size. Wrap your head around that. Listen, these are 4-minute, right, buy stops to the 5-minute blue line of US 30 and YM1. So there are 4-minute sell stops, I guess I should say, to the 4-minute blue line of, there are 4-minute buy stops to the 4-minute blue line of US 30. So these are all buys, and they're all going to go up to here, 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 and here. And then they're going to touch this. This is where we're calling it to. Okay? So here's your call outs because I'm thinking about going here. Take profit for you, NAS 100, $23,472.88. For US 30, $45,272. For YM1, $45,346. For NQ1, $23,517. For SPX, $6,458. For ES1, $6,470. Now, if you're going to go up to a higher time frame, which is what you should be looking at instead of those lower ones, which I told you in the write-up that you guys need to quit looking at those fucking 1 minute and 30-second ones and hang out up here. These are what's called 12-hour buys. I called these all out forever now. These are 12-hour buy stops. You will see 23,560. Oh, I'm sorry. 23,000. I can't even read it. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, it's too many things right there. Hold on. Let me zap into here. All right. 23,567. Then you're going to see 23,700, like I called out last week or whatever it was. Then it will go over 23,941 to record highs. You'll see record highs again for NAS, NQ1 again, because I've already called it once, SPX, ES1, US 30, and YM1. But you have to be on the 12-hour trades to look at this. You don't look at this on the 5-second, 10-second trades. You guys are too funny. You're trying to overtrade. You're trying to trade where trades aren't at. You're trying to apply the rules when they don't even fit. Stop it. Follow the rules. Let the trades come to you. These are 12-hour buy. Stop is going to do exactly what I said, as it already has, and it'll do it again. Okay? Thank you for your time, and you're welcome, Crash. This is another critical point he was making. A 4-minute buy can be a 5-minute blue line. He's preaching trade gospel right now. We are blessed he is doing this. Thanks, Crash. Appreciate your support. Okay. Now, is there any questions over anything? I covered a good bit. Not a lot, but a good bit. I'm leaving you with those buys for the 12 hours. Follow it down. If it keeps dropping at open, it will go up, or by 10:30 it will go up, or by 2:30. It's always on a 4-hour candle. It's either going to go up. Let me see the 4-hour candle, and I can probably zone in on you for a little bit better. Yeah, no, this is a buy. Yep, buy. Take any buy stop you can find. Yeah, these are buys. This is a 4-hour candle buy right here. And that's that. Any other questions from anybody on TikTok or YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, or Facebook Live? I love how the robot's coming along. All right. If not, thank you all and God bless you. I should be on later this evening. I thought I would be yesterday. It didn't happen, but I probably will be on later this afternoon. Thank you all for everything. God bless you all for everything. Everybody have a wonderful day. Ask your healing blessing. If you would, say a quick little prayer or send some positive vibes or thoughts for Keith Palmer. And then, of course, always for my wife. And then all the Safe Trade family. And then we all amplify the trade. We amplify the prayer back to you guys. Hope you all are healthy and happy. And be grateful and thankful for every day of our lives here on earth. Amen. All right, guys. Do you swing trade? Absolutely, we swing trade. Videos on YouTube. What's up, Rhino? Welcome, Rhino. Yes, we have videos on YouTube. Let me go over to my YouTube channel. I'm laughing because we have thousands of videos on YouTube. Here's my YouTube channel right there. Head over to there. You'll see 1,000 videos. There's actually over 2,000. I only have 1,000 showing because I was too lazy to put the disclaimer on it. Anyhow, safetrade.com. We have thousands and thousands of videos, thousands of live videos, thousands upon thousands of live videos. Yes. And then we have all of them tracking my trades and everything. They're all right here. You're welcome, Rhino. Thank you for being here. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. Talk to you all later. And let's close that off. YouTubers, anything before I go? Boop. Boop. Done. All right. Let's see. Long live Keith Palmer, Kevin. Thank you, Crash. All right. Well, God bless y'all. Y'all pretty quiet on YouTube. All right. Talk to y'all later. See y'all. It was a nice morning. Nothing, whatever, but it was nice. I hope they listen to those things. How do I kill